Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got another 2 days worth of Posh, and man, the sales have been amazing. So I'm going to tell you what I earned. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so the first thing that we have sold for what's sold on Poshmark is a men's lace-up slip-on casual comfort loafer right here. I earned $8.25. I paid $4 for them, and so $4.25 is what I get to pocket. So I'm going to mark everything on my board here, and then we'll add it all up at the end. I'll tell you how many orders I have, and this is after fees, after shipping, and then I'm taking off. I'm doing the math right in front of you guys. Hopefully I do the math correctly of how much I actually earn in pocket. So the next thing that we have is a bundle. I usually love bundles because I make a lot of money on these. These were a couple of items that have been here forever. And so this was a Goodwill outlet buy, not a Goodwill store, but a Goodwill outlet buy, 50 cents. Same thing with these, another 50 cents. So I've got $1 invested. I made $8.10 minus my dollar, $7.10. And then we'll move on to the next one. The next thing I have is a pair of really cute sandals. I got these out of a bulk liquidation box for $2 a piece. I'm trying to wait for my internet on my poor phone here. It's taking forever. And so I sold these for... Hold on, give me a second. Look, web page not available. Give me a second, I'll go back to my sales. So when you're on Poshmark, anytime you sell something, you just have to click your sales button and it'll bring you to everything that you sold. And so that's exactly what I'm using here, is I'm just going to my sales. So $2 is what I spent. I actually earned $5.05. So $3.05 is my in-pocket earnings. The next item I have are, I love these things, absolutely. So these are my fun bling hats. $3 is what I paid for that. $4.25 is what I earned. And so $1.25 for my fun patriotic hat. I've got some men's flag patriotic hats on Poshmark now. I just put them on today. And so check those out. Those are amazing. There's even a really cool green one that has a patch on it. That's real fun. So then I've got another bundle. I've got these beautiful Holy Land genuine mother of pearl olive wood crosses. And so they bought both of these. I've got about $1 invested in both of those because they were about 50 cents a piece. And so $7.25 is what I earned. $6.25 is what I get to pocket after I take my $1 off. Then I've got my cool combat boots. These are all the rage. They're a pair of black combat boots, very stylish. I got those for $4 out of a bulk box. $12.60 is what I've got for those. So $8.60 is my in-pocket profit. The next thing I have is this huge, giant, warm Spire Newith tags 2XL hooded long jacket. It's enormous. Big, giant puffer coat. Looks very, very warm. Going to be perfect for those freezing cold days for those of you who live in the north. And so that was actually $3 is what I spent out of a bulk box for that, because that came in a big pallet of clothing. And so I got a good price per item on that. $11.80 is what that cost me. And so my profit on that one is $8.80. My next item I've got is a really cute dressy style Cynthia Rowley peplum jacket blazer. And I got that one from the Goodwill outlet for 50 cents. $2.25 is what I earned. And so $1.75 are my earnings on that one. I have had that one for quite some time. And so I'm really glad to just get that one gone. And I'm thankful that someone enjoyed buying it. Okay, the next thing that I have is a New Tags Gina Vitale dress shoe. Look at these. These are amazing. That is just a snazzy looking shoe. Size 11. That's your size. You should wear that, babe. Sorry, my hubby's behind the camera. Size 11. Anything I have box shoes, I paid $4 for them. And so $4 is what I have invested. $30.20. Woo woo, that was a good one. $26.20 is my earnings on those shoes. So I'm really excited about that one. That was a good sale, but I would definitely say those were worth, you know, they're very, very nice looking shoes. This animal print long sleeve shirt, this has been on there for a while. Goodwill Outlet, 50 cents is what I paid, $2.05. And so I'm at $1.55 for what I earned there. My next item is a pair of Old Navy men's khaki shorts. My phone keeps getting stuck. Old Navy men's khaki shorts. These were 50 cents from the Goodwill Outlet. I earned $2.05 on those, and so $1.55. I'm trying to get back to my spot. So $1.55 is my earnings on that. There they are. Alrighty, my next item is these fun fuzzy slippers. I just love these. $2 is what I spent on these. $5.25 is what I earned, and so $3.25 is my total earnings on those slippers. My next set is a bundle. It includes a swimsuit, a No Boundaries one-piece swimsuit, kind of tropical looking, and then a large blue lace long sleeve shirt. And so I have 50 cents in this, and this came out of a bulk box for $1. So $1.50 is what I've got invested. $6.05 is what I earned. And so I've got $4.55 is where my earnings are on that one. Sorry, my brain slows down sometimes. All right, this is a really cool men's reversible, kind of looks like a varsity jacket with faux leather sleeves. That came basically out of a bulk box. I paid $2 for it. $5.05 is my earnings, so $3.05 is what I get to profit. The next thing I have are some really cute, comfortable Mad Love slip-on Lydia loafers. They're kind of a gray and black style. Those were $2 out of a bulk box. $7.05 is what I earned. So $5.05 is what my in-pocket profit is. Remember, this is all after fees and after all the shipping. And so this is actual money I get to keep to reinvest into the business or pay myself a salary. All right, my next one I've got is a bundle of 3 Arrow. This was not a bundle purchase. I listed this as all 3 of the shirts in one listing. So it looks like a bundle, but I actually listed it as one because individually the shirts weren't worth enough to list on their own. And so I put them all together hoping to make a profit, and I did. And so each shirt, there's 3 shirts in here, were 50 cents a piece. And so $1.50 is what I have invested. $5.25 is what I earned. And so I've got $3.75 is my earnings on that. So that's an idea to do. If you find that you've got 2 or 3 items that aren't worth a lot, go ahead and throw them all together in one bundle if they go together, obviously. These are all the same size men's dress shirts, so that helps. And so that will help you maybe not pay as high a fees if you bunch a couple of things together in the original listing. So here's a unique Physicians Only First Step silk tie. So it's got little baby footprints on it. I paid 50 cents at the Goodwill Outlet for that, and $2.25 are my earnings, so $1.75 is what I get to keep for profit. And then I've got more behind me, believe it or not. I have got some unlimited men's jeans. Let me see. Yep, right here. And so these came out of a bulk box. They actually came new with tags. And so these were $2. $14.40 is what I earned. And so $12.40 is where I'm at for my profit on those. So those were a really, really good sale. Then I've got one of these fun wallets. It's a Benjamin Franklin wallet billfold clutch, and then it snaps closed. And so these I paid $1 for. $3.05 is what I earned. So $2.05 is where my profit's at. Let me do this because I'm going to have to start another column because I sold so much these last couple of days. I'm super excited. All right. Now my next item is a bundle. It basically comes with this is a DeMarco dress casual shirt. And then I've got a Goodfellow shirt here. And then I've got another Goodfellow shirt here. So 3 men's shirt all bundled together. Those were all 50 cents a piece from the Goodwill outlet. So I've got $1.50 invested. And here's another one of these weird numbers. Every once in a while I get an odd number. My earnings were $15.64. So let's see if I can do the math. $15.64. So that would be 14 cents, if I can write correctly. 14 cents after you take the 50 cents off and $15 minus 1. So 14. Yes, 14. There's my weird number for the day. So I took $1.50 off of $15.64. Alrighty. It's challenging my brain muscles. All right. The next thing I have is a generic, pretty generic pair of flip-flops. Who knew you could sell these on Poshmark? They have rhinestones along the thong part, but these were 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet, $2.05. So I have $1.55 is what I earned. My next item is another pair of flip-flops. They're kind of jelly sandals. Girls Susan Jelly slide sandals, Cat and Jack. Cat and Jack is a Target brand, and those were $1.50 out of a bulk box, and so $2.05 is what I earned. So I only earned 55 cents on those, but that's not uncommon when it comes to kids clothing. I haven't seen a lot of luck with kids clothing unless you buy some really high-end like Justice and things like that. So I'm not at all disappointed in that. So here's another one. It's a Performance Stafford wrinkle-free 18.5, 34, 35 shirt. So those of you ladies who are looking for shirts for your men, I have a lot of 18.5 to 18 dress shirts. So check out my Posh store. So that was 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet. $2.25 is what I earned. And so $1.75 is my in-pocket profit. Then the next item is a bundle of Stafford shirt. Here's an Access shirt, all 18.5, and a Van Heusen shirt. So all different colors. So each one of those 50 cents a piece. So $1.50 invested, $12.80 is what I earned. And so $11.30 is my in-pocket profits. Almost done, I promise. Okay, so here's my vintage new without tags Genco jeans. These were out of a bulk box, and so they were $2 is what I paid. My earnings were $12, and so that makes my profit $10. That was an easy math one. All right, we're just gonna hit this front row and then we're done. Let's see, not too shabby for 2 days worth of work. All right, so here's some metallic pumps. These are crazy. They're high heel stilettos, metallic ones. These were $2 out of a bulk liquidation box. $9.05 is what I earned. And so $7.05 are my in-pocket profits. And then the next item I have is a Hot Edition women's wool blend shawl wrap coat. Where's that at? Is this it? Yeah. A coat right here, shawl wrap coat. $4 from a liquidation box is what I spent on that. $32 is what I earned. So $28 is my profit. So I'm super excited about that. I love this number, and this number makes me so happy inside. All right, that's what keeps a reseller going, to get those fun large numbers. But this is the bread and butter right here. Pays all the bills. All right, so the classic chic Dress Barn 3/4 sleeve top. 50 cents at the Goodwill outlet. $2.05 is what I earned. So $1.55 for that item is my in-pocket profit. Then we have got a pair of plaid shorts. Really, really cute. 50 cents is what I paid for those. $2.05, so another $1.55 in earnings. And then last but not least, this actually sold about 2 minutes before we did this video. So yay you get your item super fast. And so this is an MKF Women's Milan Signature Crossbody beige purse. And so That one is, I paid $2 out of a bulk box, $18.40 is what I earned. And so $16.40. I'm hoping I did all my math right. I'm going to add all these up and add up how many bundles, not bundles, but how many shipments I'll have to do, and then give you a number on how much the earnings were for the last 2 days on Posh. Okay, so I've got everything added up, and for these 2 days on Poshmark, if you haven't noticed, I sold a lot of men's shirts, and that's partly because I worked with some of the prices and lowered them, and that sends an alert, and so I sold a bunch more. So 30 total items I sold these last 2 days for a total of $200.10. Now, obviously, you don't have around the 600 items listed on your Poshmark store, and you may not be able to share as much, but let me give you a ballpark of what you kind of expect to see based on these numbers and what you've seen. So roughly, if I post one thing, like maybe just this hat, from posting to storing to finding again to shipping, it's roughly 9.6 hours. And so about, 9.6 minutes. So it takes you roughly about 10 minutes to list, store, package, and ship off to the customer. About 9 minutes total per item. Now, if you have less items in your store, that's going to take less time because I have to go through a lot more product in order to find all of these items. The other thing I wanted to tell you is based off this $200 mark with the 30 items, I actually added up and I've got more like 37 because of the bundles. That basically means that with my time, I'm making roughly about $30 an hour. So I'm okay making $30 an hour based off these numbers. And so, hopefully you can kind of look forward to that. So the more things you get on your Poshmark store, listing an item is probably the easiest thing that you can do. I usually will have an item listed within about 2 to 4 minutes. And then, like I said, the shipping aspect doesn't take hardly any time at all either. So hopefully it's been helpful to see how much can you earn in 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark if you're very diligent, and you can make money on Poshmark too. And remember, at the end, Jesus wins. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below, and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.